Now let us start the Jaswantgarh, the legend of Jaswantgarh book exercise. Glossary. Legend, a story from the past. Valor, great courage in battle. Regroup, to organize in a new tactical formation. Reinforcement, additional army to support. Terrible, group of people with common habit and culture. Battalion, a military unit of 300 to 800 soldiers. Interrogation, a question someone aggressively. Brass bust, a statue made of brass depicting a person, head and neck. Next, answer the following questions. Where is Jaswantgarh located? See that. Jaswantgarh located in Arunachala Pradesh. Okay, first question. How to write means? Jaswantgarh located in Arunachal Pradesh. Which place was the last stand of the Indian Army? The last place stand of the Indian Army, Naurang. Second question. Naurang was the last stand of the Indian Army. Okay, which place ma? Naurang was the last stand of the Indian Army. Which place was the last stand of the Indian Army? Naurang was the last stand of the Indian Army. When did the Battle of Naurang start? How long did it continue? Third question. The battle started. Okay, did plus started. The battle started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. Third question. Answer. The battle started. Did plus started on 17th November 1962 and continued for 72 hours. Who helped Jaswant in the battle against Chinese? யார் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க? The two village girls named Sheila and Noora helped Jaswant. Fourth question. Two village girls named Sheila and Noora helped Jaswant. What happened to the two girls at the end of the war? A grenade blast killed Sheila. Noora, the terrible girl, was captured alive. Alive means அழிச்சிட்டாங்க Chinese. Okay, that is the fifth question. A grenade blast killed Sheila. Noora, the terrible girl, was captured alive. Next, sixth one. How was he honored by the Indian government? Okay, see that here. Government only, here write it. Government. Sixth question. Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra? Okay, that is the sixth question. Indian government awarded him the Mahavir Chakra. Okay, children. Next, fill in the blanks. Jaswantgarh is named after the Indian soldier. What ma? Yes, Jaswant Singh Rawat. Write the name. Jaswant Singh. If you don't know means here, see that Jaswantgarh. Okay, that is write it. The Chinese troop attacked the lonely Indian post located in Naurangang. Okay, Naurangang. Third one, Jaswant was helped by dash terrible girls. Two terrible girls. Jaswant managed to kill dash Chinese soldiers. 300 Chinese soldiers. Jaswant Singh Rawat was awarded the Mahavir Chakra. Say true or false. Naurang is an Himachal Pradesh. No, Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, so false. The Battle of Naurang lasted for 3 years. 3 days. Sorry ma, 3 days. The Battle of Naurang lasted for 3 days. Yes, true. Jaswant decided to stay in his post. True. Jaswant was captured alive. False. அவர் தன்னைத்தானவே என்ன செஞ்சார், சுட்டுக்கிட்டாரு. யார் என்ன செஞ்சு பிடிச்சி அவர் என்ன செஞ்சார், அழிக்கலை. ஸோ த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் இஸ் ராங். ஸோ ஃபால்ஸ். According to the Indian Army, Jaswant is still serving. True. Okay, that is enough ma. Strike out. Here, try your own national flag. The topic is national flag. You draw the national flag. Next meaning, symbol of the nation, mother tongue, Desiya Kodi, parts of speech, noun. Use in a sentence. We should respect our national flag. நம்மளோட தேசிய கொடிக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், உரிய மரியாதை கொடுக்கணும். Next, our national emblem is taken from Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It is found on all government document, coin, currency note, postcard and envelope. It consists of 4 lions standing back to back, but we can see only 3 lions at a time. There is a Dharma Chakra in the center of the base plate.